Why you not eat from? Tell the young boy them why you not eat from. Why you not use them up?
Ram him.
You rob him.
And we get up and give one thump now, you know.
You just get up and thump him, the man. One thump.
So weak.
Oh, bad boy.
if you want me get terrible, don't tell me about my fucking mother.
Dark.
Me dark.
More have to know.
You would?
Yeah, you would. Like, how you would work?
My wood.
Nowadays, the Skilly Bang and the Vibes Cartel
No,
and...
not one of them.
Ready for interview?
Where you talk about?
Just like a talk, man, just chat. You see me, man, I just breeze now all our vibes. You know them way there?
But you have a...
Ask you the questions, them?
Aye.
Alright, so, everybody, if you think Bob Marley is legendary, wait till you meet this 16-year-old. This is Papa, aka Beery, aka my G, you see it? Papa, the great Papa. You look young in my youth. Yeah, you see it. You know why I call a young boy? Cause watch it, look, watch it. Look on the skull. Enough man have them ear there, you know. Every man line up, gone or them head ball, and you still have your line, you know. You still have your line and you go on good, you still have ear on the head. Enough all them young boy and an ear on them head, Papa. They made a ball out and a peel out. Yeah, young boy, young general in a real life, man, you see it. The reason why I'm do this video, because I want like your grandkids to this. Your great grandkids to this. Even your great grand friends them, you see me, because your friends them have grandparents, so I want them to this too. You see me, so I want them know about that's the whole history, because them say you have to know your history for know where you go down.
Yeah, we know your history.
Yeah, one thing, you see me, so for all of the people who don't know, Papa right here is older than Bob Marley. Yeah, man. Because Bob Marley born 1945. Which year you born?
1939.
13.
1939.
So Bob Marley is 77 now. How old you are right now? How old you be now?
Me?
Yeah.
Me is 83.
83. How month you born?
January 5th.
The 5th, so you have a Capricorn.
Yeah, Capricorn.
Bad boy sign that, you know? Yeah, man. What may I go say still, Papa? You don't know. The history different. Well, the past different from now, the present. Whole heap of things change. The thing that we are looking on right now. Camera, you know, the camera different now. Back then, when we never have camera them time.
No, man. Never have camera.
But when camera come out in a year time, it never look nothing like this.
Yeah, it look like this. But it never look have the screen like that.
Oh, the screen. You only could have take picture.
But you could have flash.
Yeah, you could have flash. Camera them back then never have color though.
Never have a screen like this.
Yeah, and it could record video like this, only could have take picture. Them camera can do everything now. Only thing you can do is drive. You can connect to the internet, can record video. Only part thing you can do. Back then they never have phone though.
No, you have telephone. You have get it from the company. Get telephone from the company.
Hold on, number one, when you're born, you did have them type of phone there. Like for communicate, you did have phone for communicate. Or when you grow up, phone
when I grow up.
Okay.
When I grow up, you get phone. You get phone and a thing here. One music box, you have a thing here. Then we used to set up a music box in your house.
Yeah.
You never have no radio or something.
Never have radio back then?
No, man. You have a music box.
I never know if you never have radio back then.
No, man, you never have radio. You have music box. I would have something here, gramophone.
Gramophone.
Where you wine. The wine.
So you turn it and then you make the phone call?
Yeah. No, it play music.
Oh, the music. Okay, the music. Okay, so you turn it and you play music.
Yeah, gramophone.
So say if you turn it for 1 minute, that's how long it will play for? It will play for 1 minute?
It
have a time up on it?
Yeah, you set it up.
Okay, that's interesting. I never know them things. A whole heap of things we never have still. When I talk about internet
we never have street light.
Never have street light.
Yeah, but a man will go around and light them.
So you have like a lamp?
Like a lamp like that.
And you climb up and light it?
Yeah, like a lamp like that, but have a week.
But that not, it not stretch far. Like, you just light up like...
It's not stretch far to the stretch in a certain area, like the dark area.
Oh, okay. So that means on the eye then adjust to the darkness then?
Adjust to the darkness. Because in them time, you couldn't have much light.
Okay.
Because them time was war.
Oh, right. That's interesting. So you said, we're moving and prowling like we're moving at the dark. So the enemy can't slow.
Yeah, more moving at the dark. Cause them time was war. Because a man said like some empire missile or something like so.
Hold on, talk about war. What kind of gun is that back then? Same 9mm spin barrel or cannon?
We mostly cannon.
One pop.
Yeah, one pop cannon.
Okay. But people still afraid of that?
Yeah, they almost cause iron bar.
Yeah. So when them things they slap you then, tear off your hand or just bruise your way,
iron bar and
pierce your skin.
Cause them light it like a fire, like the back of it.
Okay, like
most soldiers have them something.
Oh, but regular people like gonna walk with machete and them things back then. Different on the thing.
But our regular war toward machete.
A straight machete.
Straight machete.
So like our machete was the thing. A man with the biggest machete at the bottom man, the sharpest machete.
You have bigger. You have a bigger, you just have a machete.
Okay. Cause you know these days they must say, oh, alright, me have biggest gun, biggest rifle, so a man fear a man more. You know them way there, a man have a little one, a man have a little 9.
It no matter what machete.
Any type of machete that does.
Any type of machete.
Okay. You say something about the light, the street light, like in at them time, you know, in at present time, and man and man are war still. You know, them shoot out the street light just get it dark, you see me?
You can shoot out, get it dark.
I don't know. But back then they tell me say, yo, them never really have so much light. So.
No, they don't have light like that. Man come on certain like a 6 o'clock and light it.
Okay.
What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that?
You come by next man out it.
Yeah, would have like a whole heap of car them time there?
No man, donkey car.
Oh, donkey? Bicycle there?
Yeah man, bicycle like Chinaman bicycle.
How that look?
That, you see, bicycle carry thing at the back.
Oh, okay.
Carry a basket at the back.
Okay, so anybody could have them thing that I was just like rich people thing?
Mostly China.
Oh, the Chinaman thing then?
And bringing something where you have no a slipper, you know, that a thing in boat slipper.
So a board at the bottom and just string it up.
Yeah, and you right near there. Leather.
Okay.
Make the strap.
I'm glad they bring up shoes, because I don't know. Show them up on your foot. Boss, I beat a Nike here. Nike here never there boy in your time.
No,
I only used to wear. What was the hot thing? Because these days they don't know the little kids them love them sneakers.
We have shoes, man, when you Clarks.
Clarks we have no or no?
Yeah, man. Clark we have no, but our Clark is a compression.
Over your ankle, come over your ankle.
Yes, I have Clark when I come over your ankle.
Okay. So that's a cha-cha boy shoes, like fresh, like you put on that when you want a hot girl, you put that, okay.
You have more one shoes.
Okay.
You have a shoe named Rushdeen. Rushdeen. Yes, it's a
Rushdeen.
Yeah, it's a cap round the side. It's a cap go round the side, round like a finger. And there was a shoe named Beery.
Yeah. And what else? So you say Rushdeen, Buick, Clarks.
Yeah.
What else you have?
We have a shoe.
I want to know about the shoes them where everybody used to like save up their money and want to buy.
We have a shoe named Butter shoe. You know, it have the top. But you do at the bottom.
So barefoot?
No, the bottom not so.
You know solid like
no,
it's
solid.
Okay.
You get messed up anytime. But the most man sensible, the most man use me and buy it because she make a car bottom it.
Okay. Okay, yeah, me so yes, you know. Okay, so that's cheaper than all of the shoes.
Yes, that's cheaper.
Any butter?
Butter, yeah.
Okay.
Butter.
So which one was I don't say the best one, but the one where everybody want?
Clark.
The Clark.
Yeah.
Okay. But it's still
Clark. One near Rushdeen.
Yeah. You have a pair of all of them?
Me used to have it. My woman used to, you could have take out her account, Isha, by choosing and pay monthly.
Okay, like you would have paid them for a house or
anything.
Yeah,
most Christmas time, we would have go to a shop, go buy
So how old did it be them time then? The time they were talking when it go like wherever and go trust?
When them time about 26, 27.
Oh, same.
Can me get my boy first time at 19.
Your first child at 19?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
What you know say? Back then too, when we used to wear rubbers, cause if you get your first child at 19, that means
No,
you
we
never wear
never,
condom.
we never use them or something. We never use condom.
Yeah, raw dog
We never
style.
know of that.
So alright, you never know of that.
Mm-mm.
You ever
No.
use one?
Eh?
You ever use one?
Me can't use it because my old dead if me put it on. Because I never grow on it.
Yes, you never use a condom yet.
No. And the bucket, where them put now, the bucket.
What that?
The bucket, when you have fuck, them just take it out. And you,
And bend down and make it run out.
no, them take it out, them, the cup. The woman, they used to have a thing in a rubber pussy, where them put in a cup. Right?
Oh.
The wall.
Yeah.
And them it fit in them pussy.
Oh, it's like a female condom then.
Yes.
Yeah.
But it fit, you know. It
Okay.
fit on the circumference of them pussy.
Right.
So you
yeah,
fucking
yeah,
up, you fucking up a cup.
Yeah. So you not get no pleasure off of that than those stuff. Cause you don't know.
You not know. Cause she not tell you.
But you know wet, you know, woman get wet man when you are work. You don't need to, some people when them dry them use lubrication and them things, but when them use a thing like that, them not dry out.
Yeah, but you not know.
Well true, I work.
I work.
You just want a pack.
Yeah, you want that part. You not pinch that. When she don't know, she take out that and drain out that and wash it out.
Oh, and she can use it again.
Yeah. And come and wash it out.
Alright, I don't like condom for real.
No,
Disposable, she use it
again.
again. Okay.
That them you see you, but
Yeah.
me never broke on a condom.
Yeah.
Me put on that for my hood. Dead.
Dead.
Soft.
Soft out.
It's soft.
Yeah.
So me say dead, you know.
Charge.
So me say dead, you know. Dead completely, you know.
That even like
No.
have little muscle in that, no blood, just dead.
Dead.
So, hey, your first pitney. You get your first pitney at 19. And the
Yeah.
plant feet are just work and just
No,
come.
but I love our picnic.
Love kids.
Yes, so me when you want one.
Oh, they really want one.
Yeah,
They really want one at the
for
time.
my
Okay.
Me take a woman with 4. So
Your wife had 4 kids. Yeah.
So me want one and like for my.
You want you add on 5, give her a 5th one.
Yeah, me want my name like that, you know.
Oh, you mean you want your name up in the lot too? Your last name, what's your last name?
Wallace.
Oh, Alice. Oh, you mean? So you give her 1 plus the
Yeah,
first
4.
one. 4?
Mm-mm.
So she get, you meet her at 4, then you give her 4, she have 8 now.
You have to look after.
You have to take care of the 8. You're a champion daddy, you know, Papa. Yeah, that, you're a champion daddy, man. Got enough. Even now, you know, say, in a big 2022 now, woman and even the men, them, they don't really want to have kids, you know. Enough of them are get them picking at 30. That are like the average now, in them 30s. That are when them are get them first kid. And you get your when you're 19, the first you
We never intend to kill no picnic.
Yeah.
People used to do it and it used to kill them. And
Oh.
to take them kept something in calabash.
What are some of them take?
Yeah, calabash.
To kill
Yeah.
the baby?
Yeah.
It's what, liquid thing or a piece
That's
of bush?
calabash.
I don't know calabash, what that? Me hear the name, I know the name.
You know, see them man that drink out or something.
Oh, like
Like a cup.
like a coconut shell thing.
And
Yeah.
dig out the belly. And dig out the
And
belly.
name that, and
And them use that and with certain thing and kill the picnic. Calabash.
I never know that, you know, say I tell me see them dig out
Yeah,
the
dig
bell,
out.
the bottom of the coconut,
The bottom of the calabash.
the calabash,
Yeah.
and then put them name that or drink it. Them
You
eat
don't know
that.
them do.
Oh, them,
But
that them use to
that
kill
was
the
the in
baby.
thing to kill the picnic.
Oh shit.
Some of them dead. Some of the mother
Oh,
them
that
dead.
kill the mother and the baby.
Yeah, and kill the mother because some of them not precise, you know. You have intellect, you know, and you have training. Man, you have child also.
Yeah.
And man, we
And
advanced.
you know the thing. Yeah,
you know the thing.
You know it.
So probably you don't want to go front with your money.
Yeah.
Because for your deal, the one we advance.
Right,
So you want to
right.
find out something.
Somebody with cheap
Or
and
something cheaper and fuck yourself.
John, I know funny to Papa, but I wonder if, you know, these days, them have a thing named Plan B, a little pill. The girl them go to pharmacy. So if a man hold on a girl and give her some water and she say, oh, she don't want to get pregnant, she go to the pharmacy and buy a small little pill and she take that. So if she get the water in her belly now, she have until now and must 3 days. I think that's either 48 hours or 72 hours. If you take that, if it pass, the risk for she getting pregnant, it get high, it's stronger for she get pregnant. But what I say is, the pill where them take now, I wonder if whatever in the calabash mix up in the pill these days.
But yeah, some pill where the woman putting on them pussy, you know. Burn up your hood, you know.
Yeah? But what the pill do for them?
Just make them not breathe, but they burn up your hood. Now my days when there's a girl, you know, she take it, you know.
Yeah.
Your wood catch up, you know.
The whole light?
Yes, the acid. in them belly. Burn up your wood.
Because they know I get pregnant.
The wood sore up.
Yeah.
Burn up.
You know these.
That time never used to have no condom.
Yeah, I know. You never know about no morning after pill. None of them pill.
No. But when them putting on them and it fry like that so acid out there.
Yeah.
And you see that bubble up.
So
raw acid.
Actually 3 things them did have back then. So, well, 2. The calabash and the pill where you see them put in them hole.
And the bucket.
Lee at 19. That's 5 years after, yeah, how much? 24?
About 24, 25.
And they get the third youth.
The third youth?
The third child.
But the third youth, them come back to back.
Wasn't no 5 year gap.
No,
back to back the time.
Like, she nurse one and one another belly. Michelle and Peter in her belly.
Oh, you mean? You get 4 youth, but you did that take care of 8.
Them that take care of 8.
Overall. And you say your friend them I say, oh, you have to do that, you have to take up woman. But them understand, say, yo, all of them kids, they are blessing. Like, look at them now. You see me? I say, look for your grandpit them where them give. You see me? I say, like, so all them attack, where them there, all them there, where them did there. Where them there now, Papa? Where your friend them with their life? Where them
drop out, man.
Drop out. Most of them are still there.
Oh, run it, oh, run it, oh, yeah. I'm running up a check. I got a bad bitch, she pull up in a topless. Ass fat, yeah, you know I got it, hit it, yes. Balling on these niggas, they don't want to see me fucking go.